Vande Mataram, India's immortal national song, was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in the 19th century when the British Raj was plundering the nation and endeavoring to stifle the Sanatan spirit of Bharat. He is said to have first published the song in 1875 and later incorporated it in his famous novel of 1882, Anand Math. This inspired poetry of Bankim Babu, which resonated with India's timeless adage, Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi, was conferred with the honor of being a mantra by Sri Aurobindo, whose interpretative translation in English gave the stirring words a new birth. Vande Mataram became a rallying call for generations of our freedom fighters who struggled valiantly against the atrocities of the foreign rule. For they were fighting for none other than their Ma, their motherland. The song was set to music by Rabindranath Tagore, and the evocative words Vande Mataram appeared on the flag which was hoisted in Kolkata in 1906. In 1907, Madam Bikaji Kamaji unfurled an early precursor of the tricolour with the words Vande Mataram written on it at Berlin. After India attained independence in 1947, the Constituent Assembly adopted the timeless Vande Mataram as the country's national song. Its eloquent words continue to tug at the heartstrings of all Indians and evoke not only unfathomable patriotic fervor, but also link the passion and poignancy of our past to the hopes and aspirations of our future. O Mother, to thee I bow. Vande Mataram. Let us revisit our national song and its translation in English by Sri Aurobindo.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Mother, I bow to thee, rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with orchard gleams, cool with thy winds of delight, dark fields waving, mother of might, mother free, mother, to thee I bow.
Shubhra Jyotsnam Pulakitayamini, Pulya Kusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Glory of moonlight dreams, over thy branches and lordly streams, clad in thy blossoming trees, mother, giver of ease, laughing low and sweet, mother, I kiss thy feet, speaker sweet and low, mother, to thee I bow.
Koti Koti Kantha Kala Kala Ninada Karale, Koti Koti Bhujai Dhita Khara Kharavale, Abala Kenu Marat Bole, Bahubala Dharini Namami Tarini, Vipudala Varini Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Who had said, thou art weak in thy lands? When the swords flash out in the 70 million hands and 70 million voices roar thy dreadful name from shore to shore. With many strengths who are mighty and stored, to thee I call Mother and Lord. Thou who savest arise and save. To her I cry, whoever her foeman brave, back from plain and sea, and shook herself free. Mother, to thee I bow.
तुम्ही विद्या तुम्ही धर्म तुम्ही रिधी तुम्ही मर्म त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बाहुते तुम्ही मा शक्ति हृदये तुम्ही मा भक्ति तुम्हारी प्रतिमा गढ़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे
Thou art wisdom, thou art law, thou art heart, our soul, our breath. Thou art love divine, the awe in our hearts that conquers death. Thine the strength that nerves the arm, thine the beauty, thine the charm. Every image made divine in our temples is but thine. Mother, to thee I bow.
त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमल दल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमला ममला अतुला सुजला सुफला मातरम्
Thou art Durga, lady and queen, with her hands that strike and her swords of sheen. Thou art Lakshmi, lotus-throned, and the muse 100-toned, pure and perfect, without peer. Mother, lend thine ear. Rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with thy orchard gleams, dark of you, O candid fair. Mother, to thee I bow.
श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
In thy soul with jeweled hair and thy glorious smile divine, loveliest of all earthly lands, showering wealth from well-stored hands. Mother, mother mine, mother sweet, I bow to thee, mother great and free. Vande Mataram.